Easy and refreshing like the one made by your favorite Italian bar, our coffee cream is perfect for 1,000 different uses. Let's begin. What starts as some delicious coffee from a mocha pot will now transform into a cream. To do this, I'll first transfer it to a bowl. Add sugar. You can skip this step if you prefer something that's not as sweet. I'll mix it in, dissolving it thoroughly. And let it cool. It is very important for the coffee to be completely cooled, so as long as there is steam still coming off of it, you should leave it at room temperature, then transfer it to the fridge for about 2 hours. The coffee has cooled down, but we don't get to drink it just yet. Because it's time to whip the cream. I recommend you chill it well in the fridge, and the bowl can be chilled in the refrigerator as well, so that it's easier to whip the cream. Let's start whipping it. As soon as it's semi-whipped, we can slowly pour in the coffee. There we go. And now that it's all been thoroughly whipped, I'll let it chill in the fridge for at least an hour. Here we have our coffee cream. Ever so simple, refreshing and versatile, it's ideal for dessert or a tasty break in your day. I hope you've enjoyed it. Let us know how you prepare it at home, and I'll await your photos and comments on our social channels. Bon appétit!